So if your air conditioner is running a little weak, it's good to look for leaks. Sometimes you get lucky. See that? You can see here, this air conditioning line is leaking. It has corroded inside the anchor. It goes from here over to the condenser. Right up in here. Fitting under there. Relatively easy fix. You don't always get that lucky. Sometimes you do. So I will evacuate the system and then replace that line, fill it down to a vacuum, and pump the freon back in. Like and subscribe, or I'll set this fella loose in your garage.